Hey guys, I received these Dream Pairs kids sneakers for test and try. So let's open the box and see what's inside. So this one is size 1, the kid size 1. So let's open the box. So it comes in a normal shoe box and just take this out with this protective casing and everything. So the first impression is a nice meshy design, nice color, thick sole for comfortable walking, and also the stitching and the pasting is good from the side as you can see. The second pair is also the same thing with a nice design, vibrant color, and the Velcro. So there is no laces, but it's a very comfortable inside as well. So when the kids wear it, it's nice, like they enjoy wearing it. It's comfortable and also a nice design. From all the corners, you can see it's a quality shoe.